If you are managing a farm, then you know that waste, especially manure and crop residue, is an expensive problem. But what if this waste isn't a liability, but your single biggest source of free energy and rich fertilizer? Today, we'll be talking more about the biogas revolution, especially which farm waste converts best into methane and how to turn your livestock waste into reliable, sustainable energy. Welcome to Chijane Agritech, where we explore techniques and technologies in agriculture. If you are new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe. Biogas is produced when organic material is broken down by microorganisms in the absence of oxygen. This process is called anaerobic digestion. It solves two problems at once. Number one, it produces methane, which you can use for cooking, lighting, or generating electricity. Number two, it produces digestate, also known as slurry, a highly stable, pathogen-free, and nutrient-rich fertilizer. But the success of your biogas system depends entirely on what you put into it. Let's take a look at the best feedstocks. This table shows us the most common and reliable manure type and how they vary in methane production. For cattle, you have low to medium methane yield. For pig, you have high methane yield. For poultry, you have very high methane yield. You can pause the video to read the notes and understand better. If you have a mixed farm, pig and cattle manure are often the easiest to manage and provide a stable gas supply. The key rule is to never feed raw, undiluted poultry manure alone. Simply using manure is good, but co-digestion, that is, mixing two or more different waste, is how you unlock maximum gas production and system stability. A major problem in this process is that manure can sometimes lack the necessary carbon to nitrogen ratio needed by the bacteria. Too much nitrogen, like we have in poultry waste, can stop the process. The solution is to add crop residues or food scraps. Materials like vegetable peels, grass cuttings, or crushed maize crops, like we have here, are high in carbon, balancing out the high nitrogen in the manure. This will give you a perfectly balanced mix, which helps the bacteria thrive, leading to higher, more consistent methane output, a more resilient system. Converting farm waste isn't as simple as dumping it into the tank. You may face a few practical problems. For example, number one, slurry consistency. The waste must be a liquid slurry to be moved efficiently. If it is too thick, it won't flow. And if it is too thin, your gas yield drops. The solution is to target a 1:1 or 1:2 ratio of waste to water. Make sure to use a simple mixing tank before feeding the digester. Number two, foreign objects and clogging. Your pumps and pipes can get damaged if you have materials like straw, plastic, sand, or stones in the mixture. Always run the waste through a simple screen or sieve before it enters the main digester. Number three, pathogen control. Raw manure contains pathogens, but this process of anaerobic digestion reduces them significantly. And the resulting substance, known as digestate, is safer and more stable than raw manure for field application. You may want to check my previous videos where I described in detail the step-by-step process of converting manure into energy. You can watch it here, and you can also find the link in the description box below. Biogas technology allows you to transform farm liabilities into two major assets: energy, and fertilizer. If you know what is in your waste and use the right mix, you can turn your trash into a cycle that brings you profit and keeps your farm healthy. What is the biggest waste challenge you are having in your farm right now? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.